Aloha. My name is Iona Kā'eo. I am currently a student at Leeward Community College. My major is AAT, and I hope to one day become a teacher at Hawaiian Elementary. This Diaries of a Modern Mo'o was my way to hanau words and experiences that were within me, and I'd like to share them with my community, to share it with others who may be experiencing the same thing. I consider it a gift to use my words to express myself, and I consider myself a modern mo'o. So in my writing, I write as a modern mo'o, and I feel that that describes a strong woman in this new society, trying to hold on to her past and create a future with that knowledge. I found the halau Kā'eo Pu'uloa. Yeah, my first summer I came back to Leeward Community College, and they have been so supportive of me and my journey. Always a friendly face, and it feels like a warm hug there. I'm never ashamed to express myself or ask for Kokua, and it's always there in the form that I need at the time. Yeah. Other than writing, I also express myself in the forms of art. And one of the lessons that I learned this semester was about Kanaloa. We were learning about the gods in Hawaiian Studies 270. It's a writing intensive course. So I get credit for learning about something that I absolutely enjoy. This is Kanaloa, one of the great gods, one of the four. He is known as the great He'e in the Kumulipo, and perhaps a twin brother of Kane. And in my experience, I've had dreams of him as we study him, so I feel that he comes to me and kind of guides my path. Yes, you're learning about me, my ka'i, yeah? Today at our midterm study session, I had the best one yet in my career at Leeward. It was an AVA informational session, and that was something that Kanaloa liked to participate in, yeah? Drinking of ava, the sharing of thoughts, yeah? So I created this, yeah? So one of my entries in my memoir was titled A Love Affair. Yeah. When I was a child, it began as a love letter, a poem to a Kane that I was sweet on. And as I matured and then learned that that love was flighty, fickle, it moves with time, I started looking at what I would love more than a man that could come or go. I found out that my true love was this island and this people. So it goes like this. From the sand between my bare brown toes to the sky above where Makani blows, I love this land with all my soul. And as the sun and moon do rise, may my home before my eyes never be another place, a beachless scene of unknown face. Yeah, and that I think just encompasses the entire depth of feeling that I have for my culture and my people and this place.